Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Psers account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Psers login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this page. On this page, click on the link where it says click here to register or login. Once you press on it, it will take you to this page. On this page, you'll have to provide your username and your password. And if you are a new user, you can click on this link to register for the new account. And if you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on respective link to recover it. Now go ahead and enter your username and then enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon to reveal it. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the sign in button. Once you click on it, you'll be signed into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll see you on the next one.